In this lesson, I will show you how the Intersect tool works. We can intersect solid bodies into smaller parts using the Intersect tool. This tool is quite easy to use, but it is also very useful. So without further ado, let's move on to an example. In the open document, I have already created a 3D solid object. In addition, I have created two planes which intersect the solid object. The first plane intersects the solid object vertically, while the second plane intersects the solid horizontally. At this point, I will activate the Intersect tool from the Features ribbon. Once I do, the Property Manager palette activates automatically. With the Solid Surfaces or Planes to Intersect field active, I will select the solid object and the two planes. Once I do, the names of the features I selected appeared in this field. Then I will click on the Intersect button right below. Once I did, the solid object was divided into 4 parts. Right below there is the Regions to Exclude area. To see which region corresponds to which part, all I have to do is click on it. So if I click on the region 1, then the part which is represented by region 1 is highlighted in the drawing area. Now, if I activate its checkbox on the left, then this part will be deleted. Now, under the preview options, we can determine which parts will appear in the preview. If I select the Show Included Regions, then only the parts which will be retained will appear. If I select the Show Excluded Regions option, then only the parts which will be deleted will appear in the preview. While if I select Show Both Included and Excluded Regions, all the parts will appear. However, the color of the parts which will be removed will be different from those which will be retained. At this point, I should mention that if you go down in the Property Manager palette, then by default, the Merge Result option is selected. This means that if I click on the checkmark right now, one part will be removed and the rest 3 parts will be merged again and they will become one solid object. If this is something that I do not want, then I have to deactivate the Merge Result option. In this way, when I click on the checkmark, 3 independent solids will be created. This time, I won't deactivate this option and I will click on the checkmark to show you the result. Once I do, I will go to the Solid Bodies folder of the Feature Manager Design Tree palette and notice that in this folder only one solid appears. When I select the Intersect one, the entire solid is highlighted. Now I will go to the Feature Manager Design Tree palette. I will click on the Intersect one feature and select the Edit Feature option. This time I will deactivate the Merge Result option and I will click on the checkmark. Notice that now I created 3 solid objects. In addition, if I go to the Solid Bodies folder, 3 Intersect features appear. So now I have 3 independent solids. Now you can use the Intersect tool to create your own complicated solid objects.